What if everything you thought you knew about language study was actually slowing you down? Flashcards? Grammar drills? Endless vocabulary lists? They're fine. But there's one simple, research-backed trick that blows them all away. 5 minutes a day, that's it. Ready to leave frustration behind and speak like a native? Let's go! You've sat through hours of lectures, memorized word after word, drilled verb tables until your eyes glazed over, and still you freeze when someone speaks to you. That's because passive study alone doesn't train your brain and mouth to work together in real time. You need a method that merges input and output, theory and action, comprehension and speech, all at once. Shadowing means listening to a native speaker audio clip and speaking along at the same time. You become its shadow, matching rhythm, intonation, and pronunciation in real time. Here's the science behind why it works. Comprehensible input. You listen at your I+1 level. Challenging but understandable, so your brain stretches without snapping. Working memory boost. As you shadow, your phonological loop, the mental workspace for sounds, is activated, locking new words and patterns into memory instantly. Motor learning. Your mouth, tongue, and vocal cords get real-time training. You're not just thinking the sounds, you're producing them, rewiring your speech muscles far faster than any slow-paced drill. 1. Choose a short clip, 1 to 2 minutes, of something you enjoy. A podcast snippet, movie line, news headline. Interest fuels consistency. 2. Listen once for meaning. Don't shadow yet. Focus on understanding the gist. Look up any words you don't know. 3. Shadow it. Play the clip again and speak along in real time. Don't stop if you stumble. Keep going, matching pace and tone. If it's too fast, slow it to 80% speed. Then build back up. Do this just 5 minutes every day. That's 35 minutes a week, less than one typical class session, and you'll feel the difference. Imagine day 1. You sound like a malfunctioning robot. Totally normal. By day 7, you're ordering coffee in your target language, accent and all, and the barista actually smiles. Why? Because shadowing rewired your brain and your mouth simultaneously. What once felt impossible becomes second nature, and your confidence skyrockets. Pausing to correct yourself. Shadowing is about flow. Keep going even if you mispronounce a word. Overanalyzing grammar. You'll never finish if you stop to parse every phrase. Focus on speaking, not perfecting. Skipping the meaning check. If you don't know what you're saying, you won't internalize it. Always do that. First listen. There it is. Shadowing, the 5-minute science-backed hack that fuses listening and speaking into one powerful workout. Comprehensible input, working memory activation, motor training, all happening at once. Ready to transform your language skills? Grab the free audio scripts in the description, hit play, and shadow your way to fluency. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell, because next time we dive into memory hacks that lock vocabulary in for good. Let's conquer languages, one shadow at a time. See you in the next video.